Welcome to my guide for glowing skin, you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be using some of my new Charlotte Tilbury treatments. And to start with, I am moisturizing my lips with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. This is so moisturizing, it's unreal. And my skin was already moisturized, prepped and primed. So I'm going straight in with my Charlotte Tilbury foundation in shade 4. This is the Light Wonder. And then I am using my MAC 24 Hour Concealer in the shade NW28. And I'm just going to fill in my brows while I let that concealer set in a bit. Using Benefit Ka-Brow. All done. So easy. And then I am blending in my concealer. And next I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Highlighter. This is a fantastic product to give your skin that wet, dewy look. It does have some sparkle in it, which I don't really mind, but I think if they released this product that didn't have glitter in it, it would be amazing because I love that wet glow that you get from it. So I just put it on all the high points to make my skin look nice and wet. And then I'm going in with my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil to set the face. Just keeping it really light, really fresh. Because after all the drinking and eating and partying and late nights and everything over the festive season, having glowing hydrated skin is exactly the look we want to go for right now. So I'm contouring with my KKW Beauty contour kit in the shade Light, and I pat it on as well because I feel like I use less product when I pat rather than when I swoop with my brush. And I dust over my eyelids because I'm not going to be using eyeshadow today. This isn't about an eye look, this is just about face look. And then I'm just cutting my cheekbones a little bit with some more of that mineral veil. And then I'm going in with the highlighter with my Morphe brush. I'm just going over where I used the Fenty Gloss Balm, just for that extra glow. I apply the Fenty on top of the wet foundation because I think it works far better on a wet base rather than on a powder base. And then I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I'm using one of the shimmery blushes from the Morphe palette. And when I apply my blush, I like to put it just exactly where the contour and highlight meet so that it blends it all together nicely. And then for continuity of color, I always do it on my forehead. And again, I'm swooping that over the lids just to give my eyelids some color and to follow it through onto my cheekbones. You could even leave your makeup look like this for that glowing skin. Okay, then I'm lining my lips. So my lips are super moisturized from the Fenty Gloss, which I love. It's so wearable, you can wear it on its own. It tastes delicious, it's not sticky and goopy. The formula is just gorgeous. And then I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Walk of Shame, which is kind of fitting for like the whole vibe I'm going for, like the detoxing after New Year. I do love this lipstick though. It just really made me feel really powerful. It's almost like a cherry red. I absolutely love it. And then I'm just going in with some Full Fat Lash mascara. Mascara is pretty much the only thing that I'm putting on my eyes other than when I swooped the blusher and contour over them. So guys, that is the glowing skin. Super quick, super easy, and it lasts all day. It's natural, it's young, it's fresh, hydrating. Love it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial as much as I did. See you guys later.